Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter passwords and security, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pin. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's select password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. And your fingerprint scanner is right here. Simply tap it multiple times. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock, and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.